Welcome to Unrulr. I'm excited for you to use the tool for the first time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in on your web browser. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to unrulr.com. And once you're there, you're going to hit the sign in button. And then you're going to hit Unrulr on the web. Another quick way to do this is to bookmark community.unrulr.com. Then you're going to SSO. You're going to single sign on with your Google or Microsoft credentials that are associated with your Unrulr group. I'm going to hit sign in with Google. I'm going to click on my account, and it's going to shoot me right into Unrulr and right into the group that I'm associated with, or the groups that I'm associated with in Unrulr. So here's your home page. All of the groups, all of the communities that you're a part of are going to be here. Some of you might be in one group in Unrulr, some of you might be in 5 or 10. So you can see all of that content there. Here, where you see the self icon, is all of the posts that you've created. Imagine this living and breathing journal and portfolio of your experiences, your moments, your journeys, all living there for you to be able to look back on, for you to be able to keep learning. And then you're able to hit search. Search allows you to find all of the different communities that you might be a part of in Unrulr. For many of you, you might be just a part of one, so search and home will look identical. For others, you might be a part, again, of 2 or 3 or as many as 10. And so your search function is going to be really important to be taken directly into the exact group you want to see. I look forward to you using the tool. Have a great rest of your day.